Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So this is my Dollar General haul. First day of the quarter Christmas sale. It goes on until next Tuesday and then it drops down to 10 cents, whatever is left over. And this is my haul from today. I used a bunch of overage at non-updated stores and I was able to get like a lot of my transactions for free, next to nothing, and I'm really happy. Basically utilizing overage from the $1.50 Airwick and then the $3.30 off a two for the Febreze. And just stocking up on stuff that I'm going to use for the next many years, gifting and for next Christmas and so on and so forth. And my cat, for whatever reason, will not leave these stockings alone. She can't stop licking them, so I'm going to definitely put these away right away. Hopefully the cat germs will dissipate by next Christmas. I got a bunch of these kids stockings, but this one cat, she's claimed them for her, so I'm gonna have to go throw them downstairs and put them into storage, but she will not leave them alone. Any other cat mommies out there dealing with this too? Today was absolutely trippy. I love the quarter sale that they have. I'm so happy it came back this year. A lot of people were saying, is it going to be here? Is it not going to be here? But it's absolutely fantastic. And I have like a lot of air care. That's one thing. Like if you're going to pay a quarter for this stuff or get it for free with digital coupons, that's the way to do it. And then even some adult coloring books, some really unique things, and a lot of little food items too at a quarter a piece. So I'm going to just show you a slideshow of everything I got, and let's get to. The earlier you can go, the more advantageous it is for you as a shopper, because for 25 cents, a lot of people fill up entire cart and then the Christmas stuff just gets depleted very quickly. So lots of stuff will be staged at the front with signage, or anything with Christmas stuff. Just open up the Dollar General app and start scanning, and you might be surprised what you find. And some stores would have tables at the front, and other stores it would be peppered throughout the store. That's preferably what I like. But yeah, just look for the signage, and don't be shy to ask for a price check. I certainly did that. I think like 4 or 5 items that should have been tracking for Christmas wasn't, and I'm going to show those in a second. And one store even started boxing stuff up, so I was able to get a couple items out of there. I did juggle more than one store card, so I would put things in little carts inside of carts, just to keep myself organized. I did run into a couple other couponers. One lady was actually screaming at the manager at 8 o'clock in the morning. That was alarming. But that's a story for another day. I was getting overage with these two specific coupons, the $3.30 off a two. It's attaching to the clearance Febreze, and then the $1.75 off of one Airwick item. So for the top, I was getting $2.80 of overage, and for the bottom, $1.50 of overage. And I did use more than one store card. So I think altogether I got like just under 100 free items. So it was totally worth getting out there at the crack of crow and making this happen. And this is at a non-updated store. Updated store, you're just going to get the items for free. And at this first transaction, lots of stuff, and I paid 25 cents for a really big cart. I'm going to be showing you a couple receipts here because I know a lot of people out there are going to say this is all fiction, but it still does work where you can get a lot of stuff for free with overage on manufacturer coupons. It's how their system works over there at non-updated stores. And then this one, I did 2 Airwicks, getting 6 items, and I just had to pay tax, so that was really terrific. The air care look high and low for these. If you look at this, it's up to 300 days. Like this could be your entire year for one of these 5-packs. 25 cents. So with that $1.75 coupon, it's free plus $1.50 of overage. You can get 6 more items. I'm going to show you guys the UPCs for most of these items, and look for them high and low in the store, even in the air care aisle on end caps. You never know, you might find an entire end cap of them. Brown sugar and vanilla, once you can commit these scents to memory or just like have a visual in your mind, it might be easier to find them in store. And here is the UPC. It's kind of curved, so good luck with that one. And then they also have the 2-packs of most of these like scents, bonfire and crisp fall air, and they had an apple cider donut one too, which seems quite glorious. I'm looking forward to plugging that one in. I know a lot of people really love these oils, and I love anything with a fall scent, so this is right up my alley. This is the one. One store had a ton of these, so I was really delighted with that. And you just try to figure out what works, and I was so happy that I found a store with a bunch of air care and like a little basket like this, 6 items with that Airwick. I was paying just the tax. A lot of people really love Febreze. So the cranberry tart, that's one of the scents that's part of this. And here is the UPC. Just to give you guys a couple quick visuals, like what's included, what's not included. This one as well, it's called the Fig and Plum. The manager at this one store told me that was his favorite, and he had bought all the spray cans of that a couple weeks previous. And here is the UPC, and these are for the plugs. And the 330 off a 2 digital coupon for the Air Effects, you can't load that one anymore, but if you did load it and you didn't use it, it's attaching to these clearance Air Effects, either the single or the double cans that are ringing up for a quarter. But even a quarter for these, like to pay 12.5 cents for one of these, I mean, it's totally worth it. Just pick them up. And it's in the scent cranberry tart. So I either was finding the cranberry tart or the one that's like a tree scent. It was either one or two. I think there was an apple cider one I found a couple weeks back, but that was at a different store. This one, it's called Winter Spruce. So that's going to smell pretty amazing. And that 330 off a 2 digital is in fact attaching to this one. So either the double pack or the single cans. And there's also a pumpkin scent. Open up that Dollar General app and you'll be surprised what you can see attaching. And hopefully you loaded that coupon. It's $2.80 of overage. So that is quite a few items that you can grab at 25 cents a pop. And then we also have this guy. I only picked up one Glade product, this little Starlight and Snowfall. It's just a double pack of those oils, 25 cents as well. Nothing for the Glade. And there were some candles at this location, but they all magically vanished this morning, so I didn't get a single one. One item I was really surprised to find as a quarter was the family pajamas. Now, at this one store I was at, they either had stuff for babies or men's 3X. I left them all there, and another shopper, like within a second of me putting it down, she grabbed all of them and I just left them there. So if you're looking for family pajamas, if it's not tagged, that might be your Price is Right moment, getting these like $12 pajama sets for a quarter. I mean, that's an unheard of price. And the value of that, you know, it's just fantastic. All of these 18-foot or 16-foot Christmas trees, I mean, I looked at them. $15 a pop. They're ringing up for a quarter. I left them all at the store. I have no way to store them. So I just left them all there, and I don't even know what I would do with a little tree. And then we have these little candies by Elf, the movie, or they're Elf themed. They were also 25 cents. Lots of food products. Some of them I bought, some of them I absolutely didn't buy. Lots of food products too, so you might want to look high and low. We have this Heinz Homestyle, it's like a turkey gravy. I mean, if you're not too particular, turkey gravy, I mean, why not? It's the jarred stuff. I prefer it in the packet, like the one that you add water to. And also the Clover Valley, which is the Dollar General brand pumpkin, and then the cranberry sauce, or cranberry jelly. And then here are the UPCs. I didn't buy any of these, but one store had like a mountain of both, so I just left them there. One food product that I was kind of curious about, they had this injector for some turkey, and I still have like this Tony's Creole. I don't know. It's injectable butter. I don't know. 25 cents. I've always wanted to try it. I'm sure it's not 25 cents in the store, so that's one product, and I still have like I think 3 turkeys in my freezer. And we have some marshmallows with the different flavors. You might want to look high and low for those if you are a marshmallow lover. And 25 cents for this bag. I mean, if there was an IBOTTA rebate, that would just be perfect. But we can't get everything we want in life. And the stovetop turkey, I think I bought a box of the cornbread stuffing turkey on the weekend for my husband, so he's always asking for stuffing, so I grabbed 4 boxes of this for the big $1, and he loves this. Also, they had these bags. I thought I could repurpose them, even to like put an Easter basket in them, and they were 25 cents, and they're massive bags. So I mean, even for a different project down the road, that is a really great item. So just to give you guys, you know, visuals so you know what you're looking for. These little cookies with the filling. I think my mother-in-law is a big fan of hazelnut, so I grabbed a couple for her. And the UPC. And for my Christmas baskets next year, everybody's going to get one of these because these are absolutely adorable. And I'm shocked that they're only $1. Like, so to pay 25 cents with that, I used overage from Airwick to pick that up. One store I found like 10 of them. I was like, yes. Adult coloring books. Every lady I know is going to get one of those next year. 25 cents from $3. And it's a good quality coloring book, too. So I did stock up on that. One store had 7. I grabbed all of them because this is the sort of thing that, love to gift. Now, these items were not included, and in years previous, they've always been included, including this pan, and they have one with handles too. And guys, I was scanning everything. No, there's also a Rubbermaid double pack of takeaways, and they have Christmas trees on them. They're ringing up for $6.50. I got a manager to pull them off of a sky shelf for me, and we were like, no. So yeah, these items that were always part of it aren't part of it this year, which is weird, but the turkey bags for roasting are part of it. So I don't know. It's just strange. And then also we have this little cake pan with a lid. This one was in like an ice blue, and it's still ringing up full price. So just to give you guys, like, if you were like wondering, like, definitely scan everything that you're picking up in store, but don't go into this with like a horse with blinders, because some of this stuff isn't part of it, which is really weird. And then this Christmas loaf pan with the lid, also not part of it, and it's always been part of it. So just be mindful of that, guys. Other little items that I found include this little stress ball of the Santa Claus. I got a Christmas tree one. I thought they were adorable, and I think I might keep a couple of those for me. And they were $1, so there's no way they're going to last till next week. I mean, people are going to buy them for 25 cents. And catnip here, this kid's stocking, I got 8 of those for $0.25. Last year I couldn't find a single one. This year I found a bunch, so I was really delighted about that. I love making stockings for nieces and nephews. And we have this Starbucks dupe cup. I mean, it looks like a Starbucks cup. I only grabbed one of them in this beautiful green. Anything with this red box with the white numbers, that is Christmas, that red box. So just be mindful of that. And then we have this little Spider-Man cup. I thought that would be perfect for a stocking stuffer, or maybe for Easter for my nephew. And just right up his alley, Spider-Man. So cute. So I grabbed one of those. And quarter's the price, quarter for all of this stuff. And then we have the gingerbread Santa Claus little disposable plates and the napkins, and everything was a quarter. So I was really delighted to have a little bit of overage to pick all this up. And again, I used many store cards for Airwick and Febreze, and I was able to get like just under 100 items. Hard to keep organized, but totally worth it. And the little 12 count gift tags, 25 cents. And I thought these ones were really cute. I think that the Dollar General gift wrap, or not gift wrap, but the bags and bows and stuff, I really like it the most at that one store, more than Walmart. And the decorative ribbon, I got a bunch of those. I thought next year I'm going to do some sort of a project with some of this. 25 cents. And then I like these. I think they're just really cute. Anything with writing on it, I really like. I don't know why. It's just that style. I think it looks really cute, and I've always really liked anything with writing on it, especially for the holidays. And then I found a bunch of these clips, so I'm definitely going to do something with them. I mean, for 25 cents, that is going to be a project. And I have a bunch of lights too. So here it is. I think that Christmas lights were not part of this too. Some of the Christmas lights were ringing up full price. So just be mindful of that. And this cute little holiday spatula with a Christmas tree. One of my sister-in-laws really into baking, so she's really gonna gift one of those to her. It'll probably be her favorite Christmas gift. If you want to see even more matchups and information, I made this video last week. It still stands. Very valid information. You want to check it out if you're just a fish out of water about this whole clearance event. The sooner you go in the store, scan things, and know what you're looking for, you're probably going to score really big. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.